Today we are going to understand the High Court and the subordinate court in detail. So what are High Court? The High Courts are like the High Court, the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court are the head of the Union administration, and then beneath the Supreme Court, lies High Court. The High Court, then behind then be, beneath the High Court there lies a subordinate court. They are like subordinate. They are lies subordinate court. तो हाई कोर्ट जो होता है, हाई कोर्ट इज द सेकंड हाईएस्ट कोर्ट, can be called as, and every state has a high court. But if the area is small, then two or three states can combinedly have a one high court. Combinedly have a one high court, and there is no single digit, the single there is no single number of judges to be appointed for the high court, as like in Supreme Court there's 33 judges, but there is nothing like that in the high court. High court, now composition, each high court consists of a chief justice and other such judges as the president of the India may appoint from time to time. Then the qualification for the high court, qualification of Supreme Court: he must be a citizen of India, he must not be of over 62 years, and he must hold he has been an advocate for 10 years, at the high court, or he has held a judicial office on the title for at least 10 years. Appointment of judges. Now the chief justice of India is appointed by the president, in consultation with the chief justice of the Supreme Court and the governor of the concerned state, Now other judges of the High Court are appointed by the President. The President shall consult the Chief Justice of India, the Governor of the Justice, and the Chief Justice of the High Court in the matter of the appointment, in the matter of the appointed of the, in the matter of appointment of the judge, in the matter of the appointment of the judge, in the matter of the appointment of the, in the matter of the appointment of the judge. What are the after 60 after judge gets the age of 62 years, then he has to resign, then he have to leave his post, then he have to leave his post, then he have to resign, he have to resign. Then the salaries of the salary of the judge of the high court are decided by the parliament, ठीक है. Then power of the high court are the original और सुनना मतलब hearing a dispute and settling the dispute. The original in the case of fundamental right, in the case of relating to standard state evidence collection, case regarding wills, divorce, marriage, etc. Now appellate location मतलब उसको सुनना and giving it a time to appeal against the judgment provided any other court in the district. So in this comes two cases like criminal cases and civil cases. Now advisory and judicial and court of record as all reduced from the syllabus. Now comes the subordinate court. There's only we have to study like original and appellate. Original में आता है divorce सब, and then आएगा then appellate में आएगा like appellate में आएगा क्या बोलते हैं इसको, criminal and civil cases. Now what is subordinate court? The subordinate court are there are two which major, there are two highest court, and there are two highest court in the country, which are the highest court, which are the high court and the civil criminal court. And the other court is called, and all the other courts are called as subordinate court. Now civil court. What is civil court? A judge when hears when determines a dispute of civil cases, he is called as a civil judge. He is called as a district judge. And when he determines criminal cases, he is called as a session judge. ठीक है. The court of district is the highest civil court of the district, and session court is the highest criminal court of the district. And now what are all of them are reduced from the syllabus. And then what are लोक अदालत मतलब लोक अदालत जाके जहाँ पे मेरे को किसी कोर्ट में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Like I have to only go to the some PTO post office and telegraph office, like that. लोक अदालत वहाँ पे they will settle my dispute by a compromise. And this both the parties will be happy because the settlement of dispute will be by a compromise.